Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get started. So we have just crossed the पेट्रोल पंप एट पायलापुल एंड हम पेट्रोल पंप से ऑलरेडी निकल गए हैं और हम अभी स्ट्रेट जाएंगे पॉइंट में। आपको 3 रास्ते मिलेंगे। जो पायलापुल जो पॉइंट है वहाँ पे आपको 3 रास्ते मिलेंगे। 3 रास्ते में से एक जाता है स्ट्रेट, एक जाता है लेफ़्ट में और एक जाता है राइट में, और हम लेंगे वो राइट टर्न का रोड। अभी तो फ़िलहाल हम स्ट्रेट रोड में ही है, हम आपको दिखाएंगे बहुत जल्द। रीच द पायलापुल पॉइंट एंड दिस इज़ द पॉइंट। फिर we are turning to the right side, so there are 3 ways you can see here, but we'll be going through this way, the right side.
This is very difficult.
And then we'll go straight. So we are moving straight, you can see it's a straight road and so cute. एक पपी आ गया था and very nice the road is. बहुत ही अच्छा रास्ता है, बहुत ही प्लेन रास्ता है। सो आप आस्ते आस्ते धीरे धीरे से आप ये जगह अच्छे से आप चलाएंगे and then we will be reaching to a point that is फुलरटोल। सो अभी तक हम पहुँचे नहीं, सो हम आपको दिखाएंगे जब हम पहुँच जाएंगे। We have a bridge here. We have to cross this bridge and what is this name? What is the name of this place?
Fullertol area, yes.
Fullertol area. This is also Fullertol area. So we have to cross this one and then we'll be going straight. See, I mean there are many turning in the road, so still I'm saying straight means और कोई दूसरा रास्ता तो है नहीं, बस यही है। So आपको इसी से ही जाना पड़ेगा। So आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इन द सेंस सम ऑफ द शोरूम्स लाइक होंडा, यामाहा आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा और ये सब हमको क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा टू यू नो रीच द डेस्टिनेशन। सो आप जाएंगे स्ट्रेट, फिर देर आर 2 ways, आई मीन टू से देर आर 3 ways यू विल सी। एक स्ट्रेट रास्ता जाता है, फिर एक लेफ़्ट में एंड एक राइट में। सो हियर वी हैव टू टेक अ लेफ़्ट टर्न और फिर लेफ़्ट में हमें जाना पड़ेगा। सो विल टेक द लेफ़्ट। Yes, so we have taken the left and then
Now it will affect
Yes.
our eyes now.
so again we came to another point and here again there are 2 ways, left and right, and we have to take the left road, so see we have taken the left road and that's the turning here, small one, फिर straight, we have to go straight and the point here is Markulen. Marculen. So finally we have reached Jiribam, and this is the main entrance gate. This is a small market which was very much close to the main market. This is the main market and this is the entrance. From here we will be entering to the market. This is the first time I'm visiting this market. I heard a lot about this market, but मैं कभी गई नहीं and I never know what is there inside the market. But come, let's explore it together and see what is there. और देखते हैं क्या मिलता है. This is some snacks. I saw here some plums and shrimps and some dry fishes and all that. बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. And you can see this is the market here again. The local craft shop, handmade, very beautiful. So we have taken the left side of the road and you can see that this is under a bridge, something like that. When I started exploring the market, I could see that there are a lot of things in this market and it is so clean and so nice. And the fact is that यहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलता है आपको, like fish, veggies and a lot more things, lot of items here. If you are a Manipuri, you will definitely like it because there are a lot of Manipuri cuisine, items like smoked fish and many more items. Look at that. This is so fresh and good, and there are also many more things. Look at the market. It is so big and it is so clean. I really love the fact that it is so clean. I mean, it's so nice, right? And if it would be near to my house, I would have gone most of the time and buy stuffs from there because it is really nice. And the more interesting part is that here the vendors are, mostly ladies. They are selling out these things and they are so smart and they are doing it so well. Suddenly I see that there are people coming out of this place, so I thought, why not I go and explore what is there inside. And then I can see that there is so well managed market again, and they sell out clothes, especially clothes and imitation jewelry. And look at them, they are so nice and so clean. And these are so nice. So we are taking some of this
noodles kaya no?
snacks. Going back now. So we are heading towards our home now, and this is Jiribam. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Please comment down below so that I can also know what you felt in this vlog, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. So please let me know about it. Thank you so much for watching.